everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my top 5 cleaning products. I know you guys have been waiting for this video, so I thought I would share it with you today. So if you want to see what products I love, just keep watching. Okay, so where do I start? There are a few products that you guys are going to know that I love, but I'm going to show them first. So I'm going to start with Zoflora because you guys know I absolutely adore this stuff. I use it for so many different things. There are so many different videos out there showing you how to use Zoflora. I haven't done a video myself, but maybe I'll link some down below for you if you would like to see those. But basically this is a disinfectant and it's like a neat disinfectant. So you dilute it with water. My favourite scents are Linen Fresh and also Pink Grapefruit. I'm still yet to try a lot of the limited edition ones, but I just buy the ones I see when I see them. And this is what it looks like. So it looks like this, and you can dilute it in water. I like to use it as a spray, so just to clean my surfaces, and I've just popped it in this bottle here. So I've popped a couple of capsules in here with water. This bottle here is from IKEA. I actually got this from the garden section in IKEA. It was super cheap. I think it was about 80p maybe. And yeah, this is what I use. I've got Linen Fresh in here at the moment, and basically I either use this I use it in my sink, like down the drains. You can pop a capsule down the drains, put some hot water in there, and it will just like give that scent boost of the drains. I also use it in my sink, like I'll fill the sink up with boiling hot water, pop a couple of capsules in there, and it will just give the kitchen or the bathrooms a really lovely fragrance. It's really nice to do like at the end of the day, because then in the morning you come down to your kitchen or you go into your bathroom, you've just got that gorgeous scent in there. So I absolutely love using it for that. You can also wipe it down onto the radiators like in the winter, and every time your radiators come on you'll get that scent boost again, which is another great way to use it. You can use it on your floors. You can literally use it anywhere. So this is why I love Zoflora, because it's so versatile, very affordable as well. It's super cheap. You can buy it all at the bargain shop for like £1 or less, and yeah, I really love Zoflora. So that is the first product that I adore. The next product I love is another disinfectant product. This is by Dettol. I use this on my mattress. I use this after I've cleaned like the toilet area, the sink area, anywhere like that. You can also use it on fabric just to give it another freshen up, and I just love it so much. I've only used this scent before. They've got loads of different fragrances, but this is the crisp linen scent, and oh, it just is amazing, guys. I use this on my bin as well, so whenever I change the bin, I'll give it a little wipe down, then I'll spray it with this just to disinfect it, get rid of any germs, anything like that, and give it that nice fragrance as well. So I absolutely love this, so definitely check that one out. Next up, I've got some multi-surface cleaners. The first fragrance I ever used in this brand was this one here. So this is by Method, and this is a Method Antibac all-purpose cleaner in the scent Wild Rhubarb, and I love this one. Very nice. At the moment, while I'm pregnant, I don't know, I'm finding it a little bit too strong, but I do really love it as well. So yeah, I'm loving this one. I have actually just bought another bottle of this, so just to stock up. It kills 99.9% of bacteria. I also really love this scent. This is actually nearly gone now, and this is the Pink Pomelo, and this is a limited edition rose gold bottle. Smells amazing. I actually prefer this one actually to the Wild Rhubarb, and I never thought I would find one that I preferred over the Wild Rhubarb, but it is this one. I love it so much. It smells good. Also on the bottom you get like little messages on the bottom of these, and this one says, "Let's clean naked, baby." I don't know what this one says. That's a bit naughty, isn't it? Let me see what this one says. "There's no junk in my trunk." Well, we know there is, but you know, we'll just move on. Let's move on. But yeah, those are really good. I love Method products. They can be a little bit pricey, so I tend to buy them when they're on offer, but I do use them all the time, so yeah, thumbs up to Method. Okay, so next up is actually a fabric stain remover, and I actually just bought this on a bit of a whim. I saw a few people talking about Astonish products, and I'd seen it in the shops and I just never picked anything up. But I did need a fabric stain remover because my husband Mark, you might know, he plays cricket, and washing cricket whites is the absolute worst. I'm not the best when it comes to laundry. Like, you know, I do it all the time, but I can shrink things, or I might just not get the stains out properly because I haven't done it the right way or whatever. And I just needed something that was easy to use, that I could just, you know, spray on, put in the wash and get it clean. And this, guys, is amazing. It's so good. So, you know, grass stains on white clothes are obviously a nightmare to get rid of, aren't they? As soon as Mark gets back from cricket, he will just hand me his whites, and I'm just like that. God, what do I do here? I used to make like a paste out of washing up powder and then put it onto the clothes and then let it soak overnight, and that worked fine. It was just a bit of a faff and I just couldn't really be bothered with it anymore. So I tried this, put it straight onto the stains and let it soak for about 15-20 minutes, and then I'd put it in the wash and the stains are gone. Honestly, it's so good and really cheap as well, so I would highly recommend it. I've used it on stains that have been there for a little while as well, so it's not just for stains that are like fresh. You can use it on anything and it's just really good, and oh my god, it smells amazing. It smells so nice, and after I've washed the clothes you can still smell it as well, and it just smells good. So yeah, if you need something to get rid of any tough stains, definitely try this by Astonish. Okay, so the final products are these by 1001, and it's a Carpet Fresh. So this is like a foam kind of product that you spray on your carpet after you've hoovered. Now, some people will spray it before they hoover. I spray it afterwards just because I want the scent to last and it just disappears into the carpet. I'm all about good smelling products, as you've probably noticed by this video, because everything that I have smells amazing, and if it doesn't smell amazing I probably won't use it because I want the house to smell good. And my favourite scent for this one is the Fresh Linen and White Flowers. I have also got a Thai Orchid fragrance, which again is a really nice one. It's really nice, but I prefer this one. It's a bit more oriental kind of scent. This one is just like clean and fresh and a bit floral, I guess. Oh, I just love it so much. Again, it lasts ages, it dries very quickly, so you're not just waiting for your carpet to kind of dry off once you've sprayed it all. This is a great one to use if you've got people coming around last minute. Spray your carpets with that. When they go through the door, they will just get this gorgeous fragrance and it just smells amazing. Honestly, it's so good. You can use it for pet odors, tobacco, cooking scents. You know, when you've like been cooking and you've got that horrible smell in the kitchen, just spray some of this and you're good to go. So yeah, really good stuff. Love it so much. Okay, so those were my 5 favourite products of the moment. I will do another updated video if you would like to see more. I am trying new products at the minute, so I wanted to make sure I've used them for a long enough time to be able to say, yeah, I love that product. If you would like to see another video like this, give this video a big thumbs up and do let me know what you would like to see next on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.